Hello students, Standard 5th Subject Mathematics. Chapter 9 Decimal Fractions. Students, in last video we learned about decimal fractions. Now today we are going to learn place value of the digits in decimal fractions. On page number 54 of Maths textbook, there is place value of the digits in decimal fractions. We can determine the place value of the digits in decimal fractions in the same way that we determine the place values of the digits in whole numbers. Students, we have already learned in whole numbers we determine the place value of numbers in units place, tens place, hundreds place and so on. Now the place value of digits in decimal fractions. Now see example 1. Here numbers in decimal form in 73.82. The place value of 7 is, see, 7 8 tens place, so 7 multiplied 10. 7 multiplied 10 is equal to 70. End of 3. Place of 3 is units place, so 3 multiplied 1. 3 multiplied 1 is equal to 3. Now similarly, the place value of 8 is, see, 8 8 tens place. So 8 multiplied 1 upon 10 is equal to 8 ones are 8 and upon 10. So 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10 is equal to, we write 0.8. So place value of 8 is 0.8. And the place value of 2 is, see, 2 8 hundreds place. And hundreds place means 1 upon 100. So 2 into 1 upon 100 is equal to 2 upon 100. Here is 2 zeros. So we put a point before 2 digits. So here only one digit, that is 2. So we put here 1 0 before 2 and here write 0.02. So place value of 2 is 0.02. Now, example 2. Place values of the digits in 210.86. Here, write the answer in form of table. First, write the digits. Digits are 21086. So, here write 21086 and 6. Now, place. Place of 2, here unit 10 and hundreds. So, place of 2 is hundreds. Now place of 1 is tens. Place of 0 is units. Place of 8. After decimal point, first place is tens. So 8 at tens place. 6 at hundreds place. Now we write the place values of each digit. Place value of 2. 2 into hundreds. So place value of 2 is 200. Now place value of 1. Place value of 1 is 1 into tens. So 1 into 10. 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Now place value of 0. Place value of 0. Place value of 0 is 0 multiplied 1. And when 0 multiplied any number, answer is 0. So place value of 0 is always 0. Now place value of 8. Place value of 8 at 8 8 tens place. So 8 into 1 upon 10. And 8 into 1 upon 10 means 8 by 10. 8 by 10 is equal to 0.8. Now place value of 6. 6 at hundreds place. After tens is hundreds place. So 6 at hundreds place. So 6 multiplied 1 upon 100. And 6 multiplied 1 upon 100 is equal to 6 upon 100. 6 upon 100. 100 here 2 zeros. So here we write 0.06. Now we will solve the questions of problem set 38. Here read the decimal fractions and write down the place value of each digit. Here numbers given in decimal fractions and we write the place value of each digit of decimal fraction. See the first number 6.13. Number is given in decimal form. Now we will write down the place value of each digit. First here read the number. So for reading, how to we read this number? 6.13. So here write 6.13. Now next write the place values. First write the place value of 6. Place value of 6 is 8 unit place. So 6 multiplied 1 is equal to 6. So here write 6. Now the next digit is 1 and 1 8 tens place. So place value of 1 is 1 into 1 by 10 and 1 into 1 by 10 is equal to 1 upon 10 and 1 upon 10 we write 0.1. Place value of 3 is 3/800th place. So place value of 3 is 3 multiplied 1 upon 100 and 3 multiplied 1 upon 100 is equal to 3 upon 100 and 3 upon 100 write as 0.03. So place value of 3 is 0.03. Second one 48.84. Here reading 48.84. Now the place value of first digit is 4. So place value of 4 is 4 8 tens place. So 4 multiplied 10 is equal to 40. So place value of 4 is 40. Now the second digit is 8. So place value of 8 is 8 unit place. So 8 multiplied 1. 8 multiplied 1 is equal to 8. Place value of 8 is 8. Now the after decimal point first place is tens place and now we write the place value of 8. Place value of 8 is 8 multiplied 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 means tens. So 8 multiplied 1 upon 10 is equal to 8 upon 10 and 8 upon 10 write 0.8. So place value of 8 is 0.8. Place value of 4 is 4 into 1 upon 100. 4 into 1 upon 100 is 4 upon 100 and 4 upon 100 is right as 0.04. Here is 2 zeros. So write decimal point before 2 digits. Third one 72.05. So in reading we write in words 72.05. Now the place value of 7 and 7 8 tens place. So place value of 7 is 7 multiplied 10 is equal to 70. So place value of 7 is 70. Now next is 2 and place value of 2 is 28 unit place. So here 2 multiplied 1 and 2 multiplied 1 is 2. So place value of 2 is 2. Now next place value of 0 and 08 tens place. Tens place means 0 multiplied 1 upon 10 and when 0 multiplied with any number answer is 0. So place value of 0 is always 0. Now the place value of 5. 5 at hundredths place. So place value of 5 is 5 multiplied 1 upon 100 and 5 multiplied 1 upon 100 is 5 upon 100 and 5 upon 100 write as 0.05. Fourth one 3.4. Write inwards 3.4. Now place value of 3 is at unit place. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Place value of 3 is 3. Now after decimal point number is 4. So 4 at tens place. Place value of 4 is 4 multiplied 1 upon 10. So is equal to 4 upon 10. And 4 upon 10 right is 0.4. So place value of 4 is 0.4. Fifth one, 0.59. In answer, first write in words 0.59. Now write the place values of each digit. Place value of 0 is 0 at unit place. So 0 multiplied 1 and 0 multiplied with any number, answer is always 0. So place value of 0 is always 0. Now the next digit, that is 5. 5 at after decimal point. So 5 at tens place. Place value of 5 is 5 multiplied 1 upon 10. And this one is equal to 5 upon 10. And 5 upon 10 is right as 0.5. Now the place value of 9. And 9 at hundreds place. So 9 multiplied 1 upon 100. And 9 multiplied 1 upon 100 is equal to 9 upon 100. And 9 upon 100 is right as 0.09. So the place value of 9 is 0.09. I hope all of you understood today's topic. Keep practicing. Thank you.